thinking of becoming a product manager in 2025? Before you make this transition, watch this video. Because in this video, I will be sharing with you if this is the right move to make a transition into product management role in 2025 or not. If yes, then I'll be also sharing with you that what are the things that you need to consider before making this transition. Because it's not only about transitioning into product management role, but it's also about getting successful in this role as well. So let me share you something interesting. I've done a research, and as per that research, in year 2019, approx 11,000 product-based companies were launched across the globe. And in 2020, this number had increased to 17,000, and in 2021, this number had increased to 30,000. And in 2022, it had increased to 52,000. In 2023, there were only 43,000 product-based companies that were launched. But in year 2024, this number had almost doubled and it had hit around 91,000. So the average year-over-year growth in the number of the product-based companies that are launching across the globe is 60%. And not only this, I had also done another research. As per the funding report by Inc. 42, this year in 2025, the number of unicorns is expected to hit 130 plus. Right now, the number of unicorns in India are just 116 in 2024, and they are expected to increase by 10% and hit 130 plus. Not only this year, the year-over-year growth that is expected in the fundings is expected to increase by 25%. And moreover, along with this, what I have found interesting is that in 2025, as per that report, 25 plus Indian startups are expected to float their IPOs as well. In 2020-24, the number of startups that जिन्होंने अपना IPO launch किया, it was just 13. So this year it is expected to get doubled. So from all these reports that I've seen, this means that Indian startup economy is booming. And there is expected to increase a big increase in the hirings across all the job roles out there, especially in the product-based companies, especially in the role of a product manager. Because to scale, to grow, to build these product-based companies and to build these startups, they need product managers. So there is a huge demand of product managers that is expected in year 2025, and it is across all the levels. Either it's the entry level, either it's on the product manager level, senior PM level, or either on the senior position like the director's position. So the demand of the product managers is expected to increase massively in year 2025. So if you are really interested to get into this product management role, so what I will recommend you, just click on the link below, and from there book a one-on-one demo call with my team, where we will showcase you that how we can help you in getting into this product management role. Now comes the next question. Will this demand of product managers will continue increasing in years? Yes, definitely. For the next 10 years at least, this demand of product managers will continue increasing. And the reasons are very simple: because the startup economy is growing, also because of the internet penetration. There are every company out there that were not also into the tech side, they are also going into the tech-based products. They are also building the tech-based products, if you can see, because of this internet penetration. And the third thing that you will see, that right now the services industry is shrinking down. Okay, earlier if you will see 10 years back or 12 or 15 years back, in India, maximum companies or the maximum IT companies that were out there, they were only and only into the services. But right now, even the services-based companies, new service-based companies are getting launched. Okay. Secondly, those who are already there into the services, they are also gradually moving to the product side. And definitely, if they are moving to the product side, definitely the demand of product managers will continue increasing. Now, I'm sure you must be having another question popping into your mind. Will this AI impact anyhow? It will impact the demand of product managers. So basically, AI is reducing the efforts and the time of product managers in different areas. Either it's in the user research and analysis, either it's in the PRD creation, either it's in the competitive analysis, either it's in the roadmap planning, or if you will talk about the prioritization, it is also saving a lot of time in the prioritization as well, brainstorming, designing, prototyping, and in lot more areas, this AI is helping the product managers out there. So AI is transforming how product managers work by making their tasks faster and easier and help them do things in the smarter way. But here's the catch. If you are not keeping up, or if you are not aligned, or if you are not tuned with AI and other upcoming trends in product management role, then definitely that is a big red flag for you. So in my next video, I will share with you what are the upcoming trends in product management in year 2025. So do watch that video. See you over there.